Hello everyone, this is just a very quick video on how to record a YouTube live video, especially as a Hangout. This will come in very useful because a couple of the assignments in this class require you to do so, and this is kind of a little known feature that most people don't know is available. In order to do so, you come to youtube.com and then you click on your picture in the top right and then you click Creator Studio. Once you click on that, you'll get a little dashboard that looks like this. Unless you've already made videos, you won't have anything in the video section, but if you have, they'll be right there. What you're looking for is streaming, so we're going to do live streaming. Now the first time you got to go ahead and click on it, but we don't want any of this. We want events. So over here on the left you'll see there's events. Click on that. It says you don't have anything, so we're going to do a new live event up here in the top right. Let that load, and now here's the important part. You want quick. It should select it by default, but if it doesn't, make sure that you select quick, because that's what's going to do the Google Hangout. Otherwise you're going to have to set a whole lot of other options. We don't want that. We want quick. And what that's going to do is that's going to start a Google Hangout right now as soon as we get it going. Give it a title, whatever you want to title it. We'll call it Example YouTube Live. You don't have to give a description unless you just want to. I recommend you leave it unlisted. Do not put it as private because then I won't be able to see it and none of your classmates will be able to see it. But you may not want to put it as public either, because once you do that, it will be posted on all your feeds and anyone who subscribes to you will see it. So I recommend unlisted unless you just want to make it public. That's fine too. Once you got all your settings set up, just hit Go Live Now. Once you hit Go Live Now, you'll get a little pop-up that says, ready to go. You'll now enter a Google Hangout on air. You can stream live. So we want to hit OK. It'll open a new window. Well, looky here, ain't this party? And it's just Google Hangouts, just like we're used to, just like we expect. You can do all the normal things that you would from Hangouts. You can invite people right here, so I could invite whoever I want, like the rest of my group mates. You've got a permanent link right here that you can send via email, however you want to do it. And what this is doing is it's not currently broadcasting anything. It's not recording anything. It's not doing anything. This is the time for you to set up. So get all the people invited, get all the people into the call, and once everyone is there and everyone has their camera set like they like, their microphones not muted, so on and so forth, then you come down here at the bottom and hit Start Broadcast. So I'm going to click it. It says now you're going to be broadcast. Are you sure? Okay. And it's starting down here at the bottom. Everyone should see this, that it's starting. It's about to go on air. It'll take it a minute or two depending on your network. And now we're live. At this point, I would start talking. I would start the discussion. So now we're here to talk about this thing, this, that, or the other, so on and so forth. And that's all there is to it. Once you are done, you simply stop the broadcast. It's stopping, and it'll stop for everyone. Broadcast has been successfully terminated. Yay, good job. And you can all leave the call once you're done congratulating each other on how wonderful of a job you did. Now over, yay, it'll be available on your YouTube channel. Now it's not going to immediately show up in your dashboard because YouTube has to process it, but because this one was short, it looks like it did show up immediately on mine. So let's see what it looks like. Nope, it's not going to let you actually go to it yet. So it's still processing. Once it gets done processing, you'll have additional options. I wonder if I click on the thumbnail, will it take me there? Yes, it does. So you just click on the thumbnail and it'll take you there, depending on your network. And now we're live. At this point, I would start talking. I would start the discussion. So now we're here to talk about, there you go, case in point. Works like a charm. So after you're done, all you have to do to submit it is copy this link up here and submit that link. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help. Thanks.